If you think compliance is just paperwork, think again. Startups in India are booming, but behind every booming business, there is a risk of breaking a rule. What if a tiny miss in your filings or a shady financial deal could shut your company down, or worse, put you behind bars? Let's talk legal. Let's talk compliance, and most importantly, let's talk about business integrity. This is Lawful Living, and today I'm sharing my legal opinion and thoughts on something many skip but no one should. Compliance means following the law exactly as written. It is not optional, but whether it is tax, labor, environmental, or corporate governance, businesses must follow the rules that apply to them. Startups have to comply with company registration laws, filings of annual returns, MCA ROC, GST, TDS, and income tax, employee welfare laws like EPF, ESI, etc. But compliance alone isn't enough. Business integrity is the soul of the company. It is about truth, transparency, ethics, and staying loyal to your business principles. For me, business integrity means being truthful, transparent, and ethical. Whatever you write in your memorandum of association and articles of association, you must follow it. You should not misuse finance, take illegal loans, or commit fraud. A real business has no room for criminal backgrounds, fake identities, or illegal tricks. Most people think compliance starts after a business is formed. That's false. Compliance starts before incorporation with due diligence, checking your partners, drafting clear agreements, and even choosing the right company structure. Unknown facts. If your startup has even one investor, SEBI laws might apply. Failing to file ROC annual returns for 3 years can get your company struck off. Using personal accounts for business payments can raise money laundering red flags. Employee data privacy is now covered under India's upcoming Digital Personal Data Protection Act (DPDP), and non-compliance can cost lakhs. Most early stage founders don't know this until they receive a notice. In India, I believe many young founders are serious about compliance. Most startups are built by college students or young professionals who are internet savvy, research oriented, and aware. They learn through their institutions and digital access and try to do things right from day one. But at the same time, I have seen people who only react when a problem happens. Usually older generation founders who have not updated themselves with current compliance needs. Let's break it down into scenarios. A startup hires freelancers but doesn't issue contracts. Later, there is a payment dispute. Compliance gap equals labor laws plus contract enforceability. A founder uses company funds for personal travel. Compliance gap, Companies Act violation equals criminal liability. A business sends bulk customer data to a third-party vendor for promotion. Compliance gap is data privacy breach equals penalty under IT rules and new data protection law. Between ignorance and willful neglect, I believe willful neglect is worse. If you know something is illegal and still do it, that is serious. Knowing and still ignoring makes you more liable. For founders, have a legal compliance checklist from day one. Never skip ROC filings or tax filings, even if your company made no income. Keep all business money in a separate account. Appoint a compliance advisor or legal intern early. For law students, learn the Companies Act 2013 and labor law basics thoroughly. Practice reading notices, penalties, and real startup failure cases. Intern with a startup's legal team or CA firm to learn ground realities. As a future lawyer, I want compliance to become more accessible. Every person starting a business should be educated and aware of their responsibilities, not just at the beginning, but throughout the business journey. Compliance isn't just legal, it is ethical. It protects your business, your investors, your employees, and your reputation. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share with fellow law students and entrepreneurs, subscribe for more legal insights in simple language. And if you have doubts about your startup compliance or want to learn more, drop your questions in the comments. I'm always ready to share my legal perspective. See you in the next video.